What's up, guys? Richie here. So this is the day after we got done racing, so I'm about to, it's late, it's 2:20 or like 2:34. I was trying to run around and do some errands and stuff, and those got pushed back, so I guess I'm gonna go work on the E36 and try to get the intake off so I can figure out what's going on with the starter. So, but we're about to head over there now. Got all my stuff. I'm glad I found my handle, but I think I'm gonna buy another one so I can set up like time lapses and stuff, because I've been thinking about doing that for a while, and that way I don't have to. It's like a tripod that Best Buy has. I think it's like 50 or 60 bucks, but I'm probably gonna end up going buy that after I'm done working on the E36. Well, I don't know, maybe I'll get it. I'll think about it, but I'll let you guys will see in the next clip. Either I go to Best Buy first and get it, or I'm working on a car, but see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I went to Best Buy, as you can see here, to look at a couple things. Unfortunately, they didn't have the mount I was looking for. Is in the wrong spot, so I'm probably just gonna have to order one, because they have the tiny mini tripods, but let's be real, for what I'm doing I don't need no tiny tripod. And they had some vlog style ones, but I could have kind of made them work. I'm not sure. I'll think about it, because I am getting a camera in the future, but they had like some bigger tripods, which I'm probably gonna end up getting one. I'm not just thinking about it. But I was also looking at some cameras, and I was stuck between, I guess, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, I think the second version, and I was looking at some other ones that they had on there. They had the first one, but the battery was dead. But I was surprised by the quality of the A7S's and some of the other ones there. So I'm just trying to think which one I want to get, because either way, any of the cameras would do fine for me. But I'd rather have like a good camera that's pretty good. So, but after what I looked at, I'm kind of leaning towards an A7S, but I'm not sure yet. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and head over to the BMW to go ahead and start working on that. And apparently there's a car, like a chill cruising later today around 5, so I might work on a BMW for like an hour or whatever, see if I can get the finish getting the intake manifold off. If I can't, it's whatever. I'll probably just meet up with some guys and then handle it that way. So next clip will be at BMW. Alright, we back here at the E36. So my dumb ass, can't believe I did this. I left my jumper cables here, yeah. But at least looks like no one got into it, so that's good. It looks as if the rear seats got some like rain or something on it. But when I looked at the car, I didn't see any signs of water leaks. Oh well. Just another car that I gotta deal with. So like I said, it is we did get this car with the intention of flipping it, so I can't complain. This is a M42, which is the 1.8. That was in the early models, because this is a 95. I don't know if I mentioned that. So, in order to get the intake manifold completely off, the only thing I have left is I think I need to, first thing, I need to figure out which fuse and all of that is for the fuel pump. I mean, it's not gonna start, but I gotta pull the fuel lines off, and I need to do that so I can verify and test the starter. I can bench test it, but I want to make sure that everything's good going down there. But basically I gotta get this stuff out, because I think these are knock sensors. There's like a knock sensor here and a knock sensor here from what I read online, and then there's this other sensor. I don't know what the hell that goes to. I gotta get all this off so I can actually pull the intake off, because the intake is completely loose right now, by the way. The only thing holding it on is that bullshit, this rat's nest of whatever the hell they decided they want to call this. and I'm trying to get these off. So I'm gonna pause it. Or I wish I could have set this up, but I'm really not gonna record anything else unless I can, you know, get it done. But I'll keep you guys updated. Probably just gonna listen to music while I'm sitting here. So see you in a bit. All right, everyone, it's Richie here. Took me a little bit longer than I thought, but good news is intake manifold's off. It's German bullshit. You know I work at Audi, so I see all of that, how they run stuff, but it's always the BMWs that I'm like, it can't be that bad, and it's really bad because like some of this harness goes under, and you gotta like plug the connections and shit, and then some of these go under the intake manifold and some go on top. The good news is all of that's off. Lower intake is sitting right here. I'm debating whether or not probably gonna end up cleaning all that stuff, like a pressure washer or something. Sorry, I got like something stuck in my eye. But good news is, now that I'm here, I can see what all I want to do. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do is, while I'm already here, is that plastic? Oh, I probably might want to replace that. Oh, I don't know. I don't think that's plastic. I think that's metal. I'm thinking about replacing everything that's in here, so sorry about that. So like all these coolant lines, doing that. That knock sensor looks pretty bad, so I'm probably gonna replace that too. Make a list. So what I found out is, I don't know if he did it or someone else. I need to double check. They had both of these going to this one. So in case you were wondering what was going on with this thing was just spinning, but it wasn't kicking out. So I don't know if it's just a bad starter or if the wiring was messed up, but I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna look online and see and go from there. But yeah, I'm glad I got everything off. I got to figure out which sensor goes which, because I was trying to keep track of all that stuff, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of just said screw it. But we're gonna figure it out. But you can see here, there's like little nicks and cuts in the wire, so I'll probably end up just looking up a wire diagram and going from there. But at least we got most of the bullshit off now, because what I'm gonna end up doing is, let's see, probably new plugs, spark plugs and wires, figure out if I can get this cover here, because I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a cover there. Valve cover gasket, intake manifold gasket, intake manifold gasket set, those coolant lines, and a couple other things, and I think we'll be good to go. But I rambled on long enough. I think I'm gonna clean up and get ready to go to this car show that's over at this restaurant. About, I want to say it's like probably 20-30 minutes away from where I'm at right now. So we're gonna clean up, lock everything up, and go from there. So next clip we'll be back on the road, or I'll probably show you guys when I'm done cleaning up. So yeah, we're back. All right, I'm back. All right, sorry about that. Listening to that new J. Cole album. But gonna go ahead. BMW's all locked up. Tools are in the trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to that show, see if I can get some good footage of some cars, and go from there. Because good news is it's at a restaurant, so I'm hungry and I get to go eat. So. And good news is I also got my other batteries charging, so we're good there. Did that just? Hold on. Oh, sorry, I didn't know my GoPro actually correct itself for brightness. So that's pretty cool. But yeah. Alright. Time to head on the road. But first, let me get some footage of the intake noise. This one's great. Oh shit. What the fuck? The intake makes this car sound better. I need an exhaust bat. Okay, so before my music cuts on, the things I need for this car, I need an exhaust. It's already lowered. I might need different wheels. I need some window tint bad. Like, this thing is window tint, exhaust, probably some other wheels or whatever. Been considering a tune for this. It's like you have to go through, I think it's an orange virus or whatever, because if you tune it on 93, you can pick up an additional like 20 or 30 horsepower to the wheels, which in this car being front wheel drive, it's just a 2-liter. It'll make it feel like a 2.5, but for what I do, I think I might do it. I don't know yet. I'm trying to decide if I want to allocate that money towards this or allocate that money towards other stuff, because like with the BMW, at least once I get that thing on the road, I can turn around and sell it, get my money out of it, and then that can go towards tools, future projects or whatever. But the 3, I thought about getting rid of this car, but it's my daily, and I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it. So, but all right, enough rambling. See you guys in a bit. All right, I'm here. Got here when some of the guys started going inside to eat. So what I think I'm gonna end up doing is probably just get some footage of seeing what cars are here. I might get a couple zoom in shots of some of the other cars and go from there. And then I'm gonna go get me some food. So I'm gonna try my best not to talk while I'm recording them. So, but you guys see in a bit that we should have some good stuff coming up. So enjoy the footage. All right, I literally just got here, so some of the guys already went in to go eat. Me being me, I'm gonna go get some footage first of like just walking around, seeing what cars are here, and getting a couple close-ups on a few. And then I'm gonna go inside and eat because I'm kind of starving, and it's 8:57. Yeah, it's 8:57. So I'm gonna get some footage and then go inside and get some food. So enjoy the little montage I'm about to put together. All right, this is something I was not expecting to see, but this is a classic. So this is a Pantera. I don't know anything about these at all. I know they're V8 powered, I think. Is it 4 V8? I'm gonna check. I have no idea. I remember hearing about them, reading up on them. Yeah, it's kind of a Ford, but I mean, just look at this. Manual, gated shift. Did I actually say 200 on the dash? I'm not gonna get too close because it's not. Oh, there it is. I'm post a picture of this real quick. I wish my E36 is this clean. I like this right here.
Diagnosed with hearing loss or bringing in
that.
You may be
It's
entitled
perfect.
to compensation. The manufacturer of these military
what is
earplugs
this?
recently paid $9.1 million to resolve claims that their earplugs were defective, potentially exposing service members to damaging sound levels.
insert. That's a nice touch. I never knew about these. Don't know if I can see that, but that's just 200 on the dash on a Fox body. I think this is what the Tristan needs, or at least he needs gauge clusters or something. I don't know. But, wow, that don't look bad. Oh, now this 440 CUDA, I think. And this manual. Hell yeah. I'm done taking pictures and footage. I'm gonna go eat now. I'm starving. So, put the camera down. See you in a bit.